choice, son. Either outrun this life, or you can run yourself into an early grave. Now, please, it's me, Coach Brink. Come back with me to the suburbs.
Yeah, what I want doesn't matter. I'll never be free of these streets.
Cut! Holy fuck. Holy fuck, we're not gonna beat that. That was fucking perfect. We're going again!
Ran across the Rockies, took out the terrorists, disarmed the bomb.
Then what?
What you mean, man? Then I got some popcorn, I watched the rest of Pacific Rim Uprising.
Why don't you tell them the truth?
Nathan. Just be chill, all right?
You sneaking around with my boys behind my back. But I need to chill. And don't think y'all ain't in some deep shit.
Sorry, Dad.
Come on, Dad. Uncle Reggie was just telling us about his saves.
You want to tell them or should I?
Come on, man. Let's not make a big thing.
That movie theater in Idaho? That was a soundstage in the Bronx. That terrorist? That was a stunt, man. Those mountains? They added those in post. I know because I was there.
Is that true?
Yeah, it took y'all long enough to get here from Trenton.
Traffic, am I right?
The fuck are you doing here?
The eyes. It's always the eyes. Here.
What is this?
Security cam footage of your two starlighters. About a mile from the bodies at time of death. It's hard to commit a murder when you're 20 blocks away.
Why are you giving this to us?
You could have gotten my face in front of my family, but you didn't. Let's call it a thank you.
Thank you, E. I would have blasted the shit out of you, and you would have deserved it.
Huey's guy? You jacked my brother's phone?
Cloned it. Had to get your attention somehow.
You know I could smear your motherfucking face across this AstroTurf in 3 seconds, right?
Like you did Blue Hawk. I just want to talk.
Why the fuck would I ever talk to you?
Because you gave Starlight that footage. I got you on the office camera doing it. Matter of fact, I got so much dirt on you, ATrain, I could bury you 6 dozen feet under. But I don't think I'm gonna need to do that.
And why is that?
Because of those dark circles under your eyes. You ain't getting no sleep. It makes me wonder, what the fuck is keeping ATrain up at night? Is it that bullshit white savior movie they got you in? Or that they put your brother in a wheelchair? Or guilt of beating 3 men to death over at Planet Vard? You know what I think? I think you spent so much time wearing that stupid-ass black power suit, pretending to give a shit, that something stuck. You may have that racist white boy's heart up in you, but you got a second goddamn chance to actually give a shit.
Why'd you do that?
What the shit is this? Where's the talking goatee with the gold chains?
It's okay. I need a dose of Compound V, and I need it today.
Oh, is that all? For what?
What do you care?
Homelander has every vial of V locked up in his apartment. Hundreds of them. Nobody gets it.
Okay, well, he's not gonna miss one vial then. You gotta find a way.
No. It's too dangerous.
No, hey, fuck that! You owe me!
I owe you? I just saved your fucking life.
Every single fucked up, horrible thing that's ever happened to me, to all of us, it all started with you. Because you took away someone I loved. Now you're gonna give someone I love back.
ATrain. What the fuck are you doing here? Taking V, huh?
What the hell are you doing in here?
Nothing.
You left a floater in his toilet?
That was there when I got here.
That is the most pathetic clapback that I have ever seen. And you know, if Homelander knew, that'll be the last shit you ever take.
Oh, yeah? If Homelander knew you took that V, he would flay you alive.
Looks like we both have a problem. This bullshit, right? You're not gonna forgive me. Yeah, thought so.
Wait. You're right. I was gonna tell you to go fuck yourself, but I changed my mind. We're good.
Still searching for this leak.
Any leads?
Working on it. And there's gotta be someone. That footage didn't just run itself out of crime analytics. Am I right?
No, keep your eyes forward. Don't let them see us talking.
Who?
Sage, Homelander, all of them.
Oh, God, are you on meth?
Remember when we said we'd help each other? The leak wasn't Annika, it was me.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Are you fucking suicidal? Chill out. You just made me a fucking accomplice, you piece of shit. I took one shit in Homelander's toilet. I'm not joining the fucking Rebel Alliance. I need to tell him.
Hey, you've done a lot more than just take a shit, and we both know that. We made a deal, so you either help me get Sage off my jock, or you go down with me.
We recently found a leak here at Vought Tower, and I thought together we might plug it. The proof is on his phone. Calls to Marvin Milk.
I don't know who that is. I don't know who Marvin Milk is. I didn't do it. This is a mistake. Someone set me up. Someone set me up. I didn't do anything.
So, Patriots, show me a little wrath.
I'm still gonna fuck your wife tonight. Y'all are supposed to be undercover. What the fuck did you do? Shit. Damn. They know Cameron's not the lead.
Shut the fuck up. I don't want to hear that shit anymore. You leave me the fuck out of it. I'm done.
You're shit-faced?
I am still the CEO of this company. And if the CEO wants to get shit-faced at 11 a.m., I can. He was the best. He was the fucking best assistant I ever fucking had. And I fired him to get him away from this fucking place. I had Cameron killed. I had him killed.
You saved my life.
I could have done that some other way. He didn't have to die. It's so easy to become a monster around here. What if we left? Huh? What if we left? You and me. I don't mean us fucking ill. No, I spent my junior year abroad in Florence. We could just go. We could go. You have a passport?
All right.
Oh, you don't need a passport.
Hey,
You just run.
Ashley, get your shit together, okay? You cannot be all wasted running your fucking mouth. Not when you have both of our lives in your fucking hands. Button it up. Now. When I carried Joe ass to the ER, there was a kid there. His eyes were like, holy shit. Looking at me like I was a hero. There were no screaming fans, no cameras. Nobody even knew, except for this one kid. That felt better than anything that I had ever done at Vought. 'Cause for once, I didn't hate myself. That's on you.
ATrain, you don't get it, do you, man? This fight that we're in, this never fucking ends. It killed my father. It killed his father. And look at what it's doing to me. It's tearing me the fuck apart. Just like it did them.
What are you doing? Wait, you're the leak?
Did he just talk?
Bro, it was you, bro. Deep, just FYI, I have always fucking hated your ass.
Fuck.
Made me fly.
Eat a flying dick, motherfucker.
Alexa, play Dave Matthews Chill Mix.
Alexa, please fucking don't.
What the fuck, ATrain?
Listen, we gotta go. Now. Deep and Noir know that I'm the leak.
Wait, what?
Homelander's about to find out any second.
Did you say anything about me, you fucking asshole?
Oh, of course not. I didn't say anything.
ATrain, what the fuck?
Ashley!
What the fuck?
This is our chance. This is our chance. Florence? Anywhere. But let's go.
I can't.
Suit yourself.
Wait. Your chip. Don't forget to cut it out.